In 2006, Patty Brisben, founder and CEO of Pure Romance, decided she wanted to raise awareness of women's sexual health and intimacy issues. She created the Patty Brisben Foundation for Women's Sexual Health, a nonprofit organization whose mission it is to enhance women's sexual health and well-being through research and education. We do this by promoting greater knowledge of women's health issues, by providing healthcare professionals with training, and by funding studies that apply to our 4 focus areas. One area of women's health that doesn't get a lot of study is libido and desire, what affects it, and how it can change throughout your life.
One of the things that we're doing through the PBF is to look at sexual activity in infertility couples and to see if indeed it does change and to see if it changes back once they become pregnant. Because people are having sex on demand versus sex for fun. It's very important to try to highlight that and focus on that, and one of the projects that we're doing in the PBF is to look at how sex is affected during the infertility process.
Menopause is an area of study that's really emerging quickly. The average woman doesn't know much about menopause until it starts affecting her body, her mind, and her libido.
Perimenopause and the menopause are areas that are very important for women because women are leading a larger amount of time of their life in the menopause. So it's very important to focus on what happens to those women from a sexual standpoint, looking at hormone levels through the menopause and to try to figure out if there's something we can do to help to tweak hormones without necessarily causing a lot of side effects is very important, and I think through the PBF that will be possible.
Vulvovaginal pain disorders can make not just intimacy, but everyday life very painful for the women who suffer from them. Sadly, it's such an unrepresented field of study that a woman who's in pain, who may already be nervous about speaking with her doctor, is likely to remain undiagnosed.
Women don't know about these issues. So whether it's pelvic organ prolapse, pelvic pain, pelvic disorders related to muscle spasm or urinary incontinence, a lot of women just simply don't know about it. So Patty Brisben Foundation is an excellent resource for women to learn about these types of issues and to explore them and hopefully improve their quality of life.
Everyone knows that surviving cancer is challenging, but what no one really talks about is how cancer treatment can affect intimate relationships.
The Patty Brisben Foundation really focuses on the sexual health and well-being of women. And when I take care of women with breast cancer, a lot of the treatments that we offer them can really affect sexual function. So a lot of what I do focuses on a woman's sexual health after her diagnosis and for the rest of her life.
Since its founding, the Patty Brisben Foundation has partnered with many organizations to promote women's health issues. We support our partners by funding studies of these issues and education programs both for women and for healthcare providers. We are so proud to be a part of a community that promotes education and research to benefit women in this way. Pure Romance consultants can help the Patty Brisben Foundation in so many ways. You can raise funds at your team meetings, or you can host a fundraiser that's open to the public. You can buy jewelry from our Jewels of the Heart collection, which is custom designed by Patty herself. These pieces make great gifts for your downline, or for yourself. But the easiest way to help out is to round up your order. When you place an order, you have the option to round up to the nearest dollar and have that extra money donated to the Patty Brisben Foundation. You can also make a donation in the amount of your choice. It's only a few cents to you, but this small change makes a huge difference to the Patty Brisben Foundation. In just under a year, the Roundup program has raised more than $9,500 in donations. By helping the Patty Brisben Foundation, you are helping women everywhere by empowering them to ask questions, by educating their healthcare providers, and by funding the research they need to live their best sexual lives. On behalf of Patty Brisben and the Foundation's Board of Directors, thank you for your support.